Hey everyone, this is Element 500 Gaming here, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be solving the 3x3, the Pyraminx, and the 2x2. First, let's start out with the 2x2. Alright, and go. I'm not going to be going that fast, and I'm not going to be doing it on purpose either. Whoa. Oh wow, that was quick. And boom, it is solved. So now we have the Pyraminx. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm not really showing the actual solving. I just really hope it doesn't pop, because I've used this so much. And there we go, it's solved. Now the 3x3. And go. Ooh. And please, in the comment section, don't say that I'm a slow cuber, because I already know that. Okay. Wow. Now, I know this is going to be a pretty short video, but still, I just wanted to put it out there. Okay. Ooh, we're almost solved. One more algorithm. And we're solved. So, I'm going to thank you guys all for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.